What's up, homies? Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do something different, so I fried some salmon. Yes, honey, I chopped it up and fried me some salmon with some fried shrimp, and trust me, crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside is bomb. The heat is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yup, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. What? She's on fire. Okay, we're gonna start off here with some peeled shrimp, some chop up the salmon into little chunks, and we're gonna go ahead on and marinate these two together, honey. Get it out the way. Yes, so we're gonna start with some garlic powder, some chili powder, some cumin, lime juice, and some sea salt. Now, if you have taco seasoning, go ahead on and throw that on there and make it a lot faster. So we're gonna marinate this, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes and let those flavors marry each other, honey. Yes, honey, yes. Okay, right here we add us a little sweet chili sauce. And then we're gonna add some sriracha sauce. You see what I did here? These are Asian flavors, honey. This is called fusion. You took those Mexican flavors, then you blended them with those Asian flavors. That is a fusion, honey. I'm getting my little master chef on right here, baby girl. Now let's go ahead on and mix this on up and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, it's story time right here. Now, I got to keep it real with y'all. I had my food delivered. This is an avocado. They delivered to me raw. Okay? So I have to boil that joint. You boil it just like you boil a potato and let it soften up. So you don't see me doing that part, but I boiled it, softened it up so that I can add it and make this guacamole sauce, honey. Okay, let's go ahead on and coat this shrimp and salmon with some flour. You're probably going to see some of the flour popping up into the screen. I got the phone upside down. So what we're going to do is coat it with some flour, shake off the excess flour, and then we're going to put it in a little plate over to the side so that we can get ready to fry these joints. Okay, so we're frying it on high heat because it doesn't take salmon long to cook at all. So we don't want to fry it on each side no more than about 3 minutes until it's golden brown. Then you'll be sure that it's cooked on the inside. We always want to remove it, put it on something still like a drying rack. In my case, I'm using a steel rice strainer because it'll stay crispy like that, honey. We don't want it to get all soggy on us, honey. We want it crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside, honey. Yes, honey, yes. So now we're going to start assembling the tacos. That's what I was chopping up the lettuce and tomatoes. Then we're going to cover it with some guacamole sauce. The last thing we're going to put on are the shrimp. Mix up the shrimp, mix it up with some few shrimp, few salmon nuggets. I'm going to call them salmon nuggets, honey. That's a good name for them. And then, we're going to top it off with some bang bang sauce. I think that you guys saw my video on the shrimp taco. If you haven't, go check it out. I show you how to make this good bang bang sauce. That was the final result. I thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.